Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to host a Facebook watch party. So I'll get into it and then I'll show you why you would use a watch party. So what you want to do is you want to access groups on Facebook. Watch parties can be initiated inside of any group. So if I click groups here, I could either use a group that I manage or any group I'm a part of to host a watch party. So I'm just going to do it inside of my own group here. And once you go to your group, what you want to do is under right post, if you click the three dots, you should have the option to watch videos together. That will start a watch party. So if I click that, it will give me this page. Introducing watch party is a new feature inside of Facebook. So basically you add a video, you could watch it together, and then you could send invites to people to join you and watch them with you. So I'm going to press OK here, and let's go through what we need to do here. First, we need to add a title to your watch party. So I'll just name this how-to videos of the week. And then you could also do a regular status update. So I'm going to say, come join me in my watch party. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to add a video. So you got your title for the watch party. You got a little status update. And now I'm going to press add video. And then this page is going to come up here. You could either choose from recommended shows. So these are based on my watch history. You could see what your other friends are watching here. You could add those to queue if you wanted to. And then you could go to what's been posted to this group. Obviously, this is a new group, so nothing here. My recently watched, my saved, my suggested, all those things can be added to queue simply by pressing add to queue. But I'm going to go to search here, and I'm going to want to find the videos that I've posted. So any public video here can be added. So if I search for Howfinity here, it's going to show me all the different videos that I've posted on my Facebook page publicly. So I could choose some of these. So I'm going to add this to queue, for example, and you could add multiple ones to queue. So I'll do this Instagram one, for example, and then I'll do this browsing history. So now I added 3 different videos. So every time I add a new video to this group, I could go ahead, or to this page, I could go ahead and add it to this watch party. I'm going to press done here. So now we got all the steps done. Next thing we want to do, if we don't want to add any more videos, we could just go ahead and press post. And your watch party is about to begin. So inside of the watch party down here, I could see who's viewing my watch party. So that will show up right here. People could comment and the comments will show up here. And anytime I could go here and add more videos to the watch party. Right now, these are the ones that are queued up, but I could always add more to queue. So if I just press this one, it will add it to the queue. I'm going to press done. And if I scroll here, you could see I just added a 4th video here. So this is how you could extend the watch party by adding more videos to it. But this is a great way, especially for independent filmmakers. I noticed they post this on their independent filmmaking groups, and that gets the watch party going. So anytime I want to end the party, I could press these 3 dots here and I could say end party, or I could also edit the title anytime. And here, if I press see all, I could see all the different videos under the watch party, and I could go ahead and play each one next or now. If I don't want the order that it's been lined up here, I could change that here or add videos here. But I'm going to go ahead and end this watch party here, and I'm going to press end here. And then this is what it looks like. This watch party is now over, and it's going to post it to my group right here. So if I go here, it says come join me. So now people could go and see the videos that were watched under that watch party. So it shows just that one video that just started playing right now. So that's how you go ahead and host a watch party on Facebook. This feature can be really useful for getting people to watch your video content, especially if you've built a group or if you're doing this with a large group that you're a part of. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.